Cool. The next noun we have is AI.
Ooh, okay, yeah. AI, well, I think there's two sides to that. I'd say there's the science fiction kind of AI, and then there's the, I've got it on my phone AI. So the science fiction AI, that's usually a bit overrated.
Gotcha.
These AIs, they're turning evil. They're like the greatest minds in all of time, they control the whole planet and things like that. That'll come someday, but we are a long way off from that.
Gotcha.
We're exponentially headed there.
Right.
But it's we're not going to be doing that kind of thing with it.
Right.
The way to kind of compare is current modern AI, I'd say, is more like an extra button on your calculator, right? You've got add, subtract, multiply, divide, and do some artificial intelligence on this stuff and find patterns in it.
Right.
And once you have those patterns, use it as a way of predicting the future and when you get a novel input.
Gotcha.
So it's at its simplest, that's all it does.
Right.
It's really just yet another operator. It's more complicated to set it up, but at its core, it's just another operator. It's an algorithm.
Gotcha.
In terms of the cutting edge of what we have, I think AI is from that side is a little bit underrated because we're already using it.
Right.
When you use a map program, back in the day, map programs, they were a real pain to set up. You had to actually you had to create your route. There was no benefit to you're like, okay, I'm going to go this way, then that way, and it will print a map for what you did.
Exactly.
Then AI stepped in and says, well, this is the way you want to go, based on my analysis of traffic patterns and distances and stoplights. And, now, hurtling down the highway, everybody's phone is a sensor point for a vast, artificially intelligent map network that is real-time figuring out how to route the vehicles through the city, actually reducing congestion in towns because so many people are using these map programs.
Nice.
And that's that silent AI that's kind of all around us that is starting to actually be useful.
For sure. Cool. Awesome.